are in Fort Payne, 7 a.m. Saturday.
In 1,000 feet, turn
8th.
right onto 5th Street.
We're going to visit some falls nearby, DeSoto Falls and Little River Rock Preserve. I think a couple more places down here. So stay with me. We're at DeSoto Falls State Park here in Alabama. Visit the falls and then we're gonna head out of here to another park. See what we can find. We are in top side of the so-called DeSoto Falls. This is an artificial lake. No lifeguard on duty. See, I can get to see the bottom of it. It's gonna take a while, so bear with me. On the side is a dam. I think the real fall is down there, so let's see what we can get. And here we are. That's the bottom of the DeSoto Falls. It ends up in this fantastic looking lake. I think it's a small creek going down there. Amazing. Let me see if we can go back. This is the end of the trail. This is a short trail for $4. The views are amazing, but it's not that a long trip. You can even walk here with elderly if you want. Again, it's $4 per vehicle. Anyway, we have 2 more stops to do today. I want to get out of here early, so we need to keep moving. And y'all, we are in Little River Canyon Preserve, and we are at the Little River Falls, nearby the Little River Falls. We're gonna take a look at the Little River, and we are gonna after that we're gonna see the falls. It's gonna be on a 1.5 miles out and back. So basically we want to take back the trail instead of going into a loop. And that will be the end of this trip, unless we find another spot of interest, which I found several times. I really want to see it. If I'm able to see it, I will share it with you. But let's not get ahead of us. Let's see the river. If there's any river. I don't know if it's any drought. I hear some water. Yep. It's right there. Let's get it more in detail for a few minutes, and then we're gonna head to the trail Let's see what else we can see. As you see, it's early in the morning, so there's not too many crowds. But I expect people to come in droves as the day goes by. It's a little bit of water. Not roaring amount of water, but I guess at some point there's a good rain. We'll see tons of water coming in. Alright, let's continue to the trail. See you guys later. We are at the end of the trail. I'm gonna stop here for a while, eat some oranges I brought with me, and then we head back. What a view. Anyway, I'll catch you out later. Alright, we're in Cornwall Furnace National Site or Historic Site, whatever you call it. Okay, this is the Cornwall Furnace Memorial Park. Okay. Yeah, again, this is one of those historic sites, not necessarily for the faint of heart, but it happened. So I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna walk a little bit and then head back home. Those places you find halfway down the road. I'm heading back from Alabama to Georgia, and I found this place here. Again, one of the history of the country just happened, and I'm not trying to say that it didn't happen at all. Alright, it says you have to pay. Okay. That's the furnace. Let me pay and I'll be back with you. Again, a furnace means that this was done for steel work, I guess, to probably build warships or submarines. I think in the American Civil War, it was the first time that submarines were built for military purposes. I don't know how far it goes in terms of naval warfare submarines were used. This is the Chattooga River. By the way, this whole land used to be from the Cherokee tribe, which I think they're living now somewhere in Oklahoma due to the Removal Act in the early 1800s. Again, part of the history. It's just a matter. It just happened, and that's it. I mean, I had nothing else to say. But trying to be a better human being is the best thing you can do to right the wrongs of the past and be kind to each other. You know, don't be mean, and try to understand. None of us were alive back in the day. It's the man, mom, and machine, and that's it. That's my whole spiel, my opinion on all these discussion about reparations, stuff like that. Enough talk. So there's no pay for this place. It's just you want to donate, you can donate. If you don't want to donate, that's up to you. It's not forced. It's not enforced. I don't think this is a lake. It's just not a river. If I found out what this river is, I will share with you. But yeah, not many people talk about this place for obvious reasons. So We're at the border with Georgia. So I'm between Georgia and Alabama right now. This is the Cornwall furnace, as I said before. Not to be confused with the Leviticus Cornwall from Red Dead Redemption 2. This is another Cornwall. I think this is the final stretch, and we don't need to go somewhere else. There was another trail I wanted to try, but unfortunately I couldn't find the entrance to that trail. I know, man. I know. And yeah, this is my final stop before going back home. Again, you can find this place right a few miles once you cross into the Georgia, the Alabama line coming from Georgia. So all the places I have been today are nearby to one another. So just trying to make sure you have your vehicle full of gas, because it's quite in between. It's quite a drive. Probably 25 square miles in total between each spot I visit today. But you need a vehicle. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels, and see you guys somewhere on the road. Have a good day, night, or weekend at any time you're watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.